Hello and welcome. This is Mdassir from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about Associate Hatch. So let's see what is Associate Hatch. For that I will apply Hatch here in this object. For that I will activate the Hatch command. I will just type H and I will hit enter. Now this Hatch dialog box will be appear in front of you. Now you can make setting from here. For example, I just want to change the pattern from here. Okay, now I need NC31 here. I will select this one. I will press OK. Now what I will do, I will just change the color from here. You can change the color of Hatch from here. So for now I need yellow color. Okay, now what I will do, I will just select this option, add peak point. Okay, so I will select this one. I will go here and I will select this boundary. I will select this one. Again I will press space bar. Now you can see here, I will just go into the preview. Preview is not good enough. Okay, I need space between two lines, these two lines. For that I can adjust scale. Again I will press enter. I will go into the scale and I can change the scale. Now the scale is 1. I can change any scale, okay, from here. So you can just select drop down arrow. Here are some scales like 2, 1.75, 1.5. So for now I need, for example, 4 scale. Okay, I can change angle as well. Now the angle is this. Okay, you can change the angle as well from here. What do you need here? Okay, now the scale is 4. I will just press tab key. Then I will go into the preview. Now preview is looking fine. The space between two lines is enough right now. Okay, now again I will press space bar. Now here you can see one of the option associative. This is checked. Let's see what this is. Okay, now I will press OK and I will select this inner rectangle. Make sure you do not just select this hatch. Okay, only just select this inner rectangle and I will just click on this grip. Okay, and I will pull this grip down. Okay, when I will just pull this grip down, hatch is just associate with this. Okay, this boundary or this rectangle. So this hatch is just associate with the boundaries. Okay, let's see another option. I will just uncheck that one. Okay, now again I will just activate hatch command from here. Hatch, I will hit enter. Okay, now again I will just select all of the setting I have just discussed about. Okay, now for example I need 15-degree angle. I will just select this option, add peak point. I will select this one and again I will press space bar. I will go into the preview. Now you can see that the preview is just different because of angle. This angle is 0 degree for NC31 and this is 15-degree angle. Okay, this is how you can change the angle as well. Now again what I will do, I will just press space bar. Okay, now from here I will uncheck this option. Okay, associative, and then I will press OK. Now what will happen here? I will select this rectangle. I will just select this grip. I will move this downward. Now you can see hatch is there. Okay, this is not associated with the boundaries. Okay, but if you want to just move your hatch, you will select this hatch. You can see these are the grips. Okay, you can move this around this line. Okay, now this hatch is also moved here. Okay, but this is not associated with the boundary. That is the difference between both of hatches. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.